Are you ready to build a strong foundation for your career in civil engineering? Introducing the ICTQual Level 5 Diploma in Civil Engineering, a globally recognized qualification that sets you apart. Global Training and Certification Services is offering a comprehensive 2-year program designed to equip students with the essential skills and knowledge required for a successful career in civil engineering. With a focus on practical learning and theoretical foundations, this 240-credit diploma encompasses a variety of subjects, including structural engineering, project management, and environmental considerations. Earn the ICTQual Level 5 Diploma in Civil Engineering, British Council verifiable, 𝒐𝒏 and embassy attestable, and perfect for securing jobs and 𝒐𝒏. This course has 24 mandatory units completed over 2 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and 120 credits, totaling 240 credits by the end of the program. To enroll in this diploma you'll need a Level 3 qualification and 1 year of experience, or a Level 4 qualification in a related field. You must be 18 or older, with strong English skills for communication, a solid foundation in math and physics, and basic knowledge of materials, surveying, and drawings. This program offers 2 pathways to earn ICTQual Level 5 Diploma in Civil Engineering. For new learners, complete formal training with hands-on practice, submit assignments to showcase your skills, and upon successful completion, receive your internationally recognized qualification. For experienced candidates, have at least 5 years of verified experience in civil engineering or a related field. Your existing skills will be assessed against course outcomes. Simply submit documents proving your experience, roles, responsibilities, and tasks, and if needed, a skills gap assessment. Upon successful verification, you'll earn the ICTQual Level 5 Diploma without the full training. Enroll now for the ICTQual Level 5 Diploma in Civil Engineering and start building your future today. Call us on +92 336 054 7664 or visit www.tgtcs.com.